Hello Maidensbridge, Straits and St Mary's, it's Miss Calderbank from Dudley Performing Arts and welcome to lesson 10. In today's lesson we are going to be playing a really calm, slow piece of music called Water Lilies. It's really nice to listen to and play, so we need to work on getting a really quiet sound on our recorder, so no blowing fast or loud, soft sounds on your recorders. If you haven't got a recorder, remember to just sing along with the activities. Enjoy! Like many of the other pieces that we've learnt, we begin with 4 bars rest, so remember to count these before you play your first note on your recorder. Section 2 begins with our newest note that we've learnt on the recorder, the E. Remember, we need to cover 5 holes on our recorder with the left hand at the top and the right hand at the bottom. There's quite a few big leaps between our notes here in section 2, so it's really important to keep your fingers close to those holes so that they can press down in time with the rest of the music. Have a little listen to section 2. So it's quite a slow piece of music, so we need lots of air, lots of breath to last through that section. Pause the video and have a little practice. You can see in section 3 it uses lots more of our long notes, including the last note, which lasts for a total of 8 beats. You can see we've got 2 4-beat notes joined together at the end, so we need a really big breath to make sure we can last the whole of that note. Have a listen to section 3. So it might be an idea to practice your long notes before you get to this section. And as you can see, at the end of this section, you can see there is a repeat sign. The first repeat sign we see in our music is at the start of section 2. So it means we have to play through those 2 sections once more. Have a little practice of section 3 and try repeating back through to section 2. Section 4, we get a little bit more lively with our fingers as we've got our quaver notes, our fast notes, okay? So we have to move fairly quickly between the B, C, B at the beginning of this section. And as you can see, it happens a couple of times during this time. Have a listen to section 4. So pause the video and see if you can practice moving those fingers really quickly between the B, C, B. Have a practice of section 4. You'll notice that section 5 begins in the exact same way as section 4 did, as we've got our BCB quavers at the beginning of this section. However, it slows down quite a lot towards the end with long notes, 4 beat notes on a C and an A. So remember, we need lots of air to last through these notes. Have a listen to section 5. So remember to count to 4 beats on those last 2 notes of section 5. Pause the video and have a practice. Hopefully we're not feeling too much out of breath. We've been lots of long notes in this piece so far. Finally, we've reached section 6, which is the ending of our piece, and we slow down with a few A's, G's and a final E. Have a listen to section 6. Pause the video and have a practice. When you're confident with playing through all of the sections of this piece, you can go back to the beginning of the Water Lilies music and see if you can perform it all the way through. Remember to count those bars rest before you play your first note. And remember, this piece is a nice calm piece of music. It's fairly quiet, so we need to perform the piece with a soft, quiet tone. So don't blow too fast or loud, okay? Good luck.